All right, so this topic is called the difference of squares, and this will help us factor some expressions a little bit faster. So if I have this factor 4x squared minus 25, I can go through the entire process of using my area model and my x to find the factors. So once I do that, I get 2x minus 5 and 2x plus 5. So what do you notice about these factors? One thing that I notice is that they're pretty much the same, except one is negative and one is positive. And this helps us develop a pattern or a rule that we can use. So the first thing we need to do is check to see if the A and C terms are perfect squares. This means that the A term, 4, has a square root, and the C term, 25, also has a perfect square root. And we also want to make sure that there is a difference, a negative or a minus sign here. So to solve this problem faster, I have 4x squared. I'm going to find the square root of it. Square root of 4x squared is 2x. And then the square root of 25 is 5. So I can write that out in my factored form. If I know that the C term is negative, that tells me that the factors have opposite signs because positive times negative is negative. So I make one positive and one negative. This also takes away that middle B term because 5 minus 5 is 0, and I don't have to write 0. So let's see this in practice. I have 9x squared minus 16. Is A and C a perfect square? Yes. Is it a subtraction problem? Yes. So now I find the square root of each term. The square root of 9x squared is 3x, so I can write that in both of my parentheses. And the square root of 16 is 4. Because this sign is negative, I know that one sign will be positive and one will be negative, and I'm done. It's much faster than using an area model and a diamond, and I still get the same answer.